Hello everyone. Today on the channel I'll show you how to grant Snapchat access to your camera. There are 3 ways to solve this issue, from the simplest to the most complex, with potential data loss. First, let's go to Settings. Here we search for Snapchat at the top and tap on it. Now enable this slider for camera access. If that doesn't work, press the power button and volume up button together, like this. Then restart your iPhone. If that doesn't help, the next option might be to reset your iPhone. But I warn you, you'll lose data. However, this will reset the software, which may fix the error. Also, try updating to the latest iOS. That's all for now. This has been goodbye everyone.